biggest single economic risk facing the world economy and challenging the recovery, I would say, is the European Union, the Eurozone debt crisis, the sovereign debt crisis, the banking crisis, the question of the viability of the Eurozone and the euro as a currency, and also before that even is the question of the viability of the sovereign debt of the periphery. Right? That needs to be somehow jerry-rigged, or better yet solved ASAP, so that we can remove a big uncertainty hanging over the entire international financial system and therefore the global economy. If that's not done, and there's a material risk that we remain on the edge of a crisis there, even if we don't tip over into it. There's going to be a lot of volatility in the financial markets. It's going to have an adverse feedback loop into the economy. People are going to spend less, consumers are going to spend less, households are going to retrench, corporations which are hoarding cash are not going to invest.
I'm not convinced that the first thing will be protectionism. I think the first thing that we'll see in currency markets is the rise of interventionism. We've seen the way the Swiss have intervened to control the rise in the Swiss franc. I'm surprised that we haven't seen intervention yet with the Bank of Japan to bring the yen down. We've seen the South Koreans intervene. So I think going forward, I think interventionism will be the first foray into currency markets, and only after that will protectionism start to creep in. Companies really are going to be torn between two decisions: deploying cash and holding onto cash. The global economy needs them to deploy cash. Their self-interest, their quite justified self-interest, will be to protect cash. Basel III, the increase in trade finance costs, and just general uncertainty will almost certainly cause a bunker mentality where cash is hoarded, which is possibly the worst outcome for the global economy.